Guys, as a matter of fact, you can see if you really want to do your scrub and you want to do a better scrub, you hear me? Now, we have different type of sugar and we have different type of salt. When you say salt, we have different type of salt. But I would prefer you use this brown sugar, because some people, based on their skin, very fragile and like how the other salt look like. You can feel this by yourself. Just try to make it test run. Pick the two salt, pick the two sugar, the brown sugar and the white sugar, and put them in your pan. Try to feed them. You'll see that this brown sugar is a bit softer and then the other one, like the white sugar, it's a bit sharper than the brown sugar. So I prefer you go for this brown sugar. Go for the brown one. And again, I would say, you see this, a lot of people, they keep talking about, where do you get this stuff even? Where do you get it? Like, yes, I hate to tell you that a lot of people use fake product, but us, we don't use fake product. You understand? All of our goods, they come from Thailand, like, yes, retail. You see? You can see this. I would have loved to show you the secret how to know the original one. You understand? You can see. Look at it. You can see it. Look, I wanted to show you the secret, but I'm not going to show you. That's why you need to consult us. Come to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, where you can get it all of your recipe. Cosmetic as well, come get it from us. We're always there for you. So if you want to do your scrub, like as I said, either use the brown sugar or you can use this particular one. You see, very sweet. Sparkling salt, very sweet. You can use this when you enjoy the scrub. And some people, they don't even know how to use scrub. Let me talk about that 1 minute. Some people, they don't know how to use scrub. Sometimes you'll be thinking, maybe should I wash my body first before I scrub, or should I scrub before I wash? I would advise you to wash your body first. You understand? So that when you apply your scrub, it can as well stay on your body for some minutes. Yes, it could stay in your body for some minutes before you wash off. Alright? Then, in so doing, whatever you apply to your body becomes perfect. Perfect. So, like as I said, whatever you want to buy, come to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Just get all. You will get all. Like we ship everywhere. US, Canada, UK, Asia country. Anywhere, Africa country as well, we ship everywhere. Trust us. That's why we're in here for you. And don't forget to buy your trendy cream that we selling right now. You hear me? Yes, Irish Lady Body Wax. That cream, aka Yellow CC. That cream is a bomb. Everybody be talking about that cream. And I tell you, like today also, I've just shipped some to the US. So I don't know, like US people love that cream, but you also, I think you can patronize us also. You know what I mean? You can patronize us. So we're waiting for your call. We're waiting for your shot.